Oh, that's pretty cool. Is that BoJack Horseman? Oh, what the hell is this? They all open top cars. The guy's front end was f***ed up. He was taking that corner pretty hard too. Alright, what is going on, guys? We are in a random road because I've always wanted to know where this road goes, but I've never really gotten a chance to really check it out. So here it is today. We are going that way. I don't know where it goes. And there's a little friend with us right here. Say hi. Hey, what you doing? Oh, look, another one. He brought a little fucking kid too. Yeah. Alrighty, let's go. Let's see if the bugs want to get out. So in Japan, there's a lot of old mountain roads like this, unused, mostly unused, or only used by farmers and whatnot. But sometimes those roads can be pretty fun. I found one the other day that had a bunch of hairpins, but I forgot where it was. Ooh, I can go like this. Oh. Rose Hill. Rose Hill it is then. Yeah, it just looks like we're in a random village. But I don't see any roses. I think I'll get lost here. At least this way. Some random run-down ass buildings. Not much going on there. What the fuck is that thing? Look at that. It's some like trike scooter type of thing. Gigantic truck. We'll probably make it. Oh yeah, we'll make this one. Yeah, let's go. Into a very narrow ass road. This is just probably some farmer's long ass driveway. It just leads to his house. Just farmer's land right here. Nothing else. Now, this is what happens when you don't have a plan and you just go out and drive. Sometimes you just end up in these weird roads. Alright, I want to go right. If I'm correct, the car in front of me is a Nissan Note, but the Nismo version. Because they had to make a Nismo version of the electric vehicle. He is going pretty quick through here though. Must be all the Nismo power. Follow that Nismo. Take the inside line. Right out of the corner, he'll be right there. No, he's pretty far out there. Oh, this is like a slalom section. You can do Gymkhana. He's moving. That guy is no joke. Stepping on all that Nismo power. That was a pretty fun section of road now. Ah, that guy knows where he's going then, huh? That's why he's here. That's why he's here. But inevitably, K-truck. Black one. You don't see that too often. Completely dominated by farms and farmers and K-trucks. It's like a different world. That dude with the black K-truck, he's probably the boss, the chief, the village. Man, this is like a little rally stage though. This is pretty cool. That note is gone now though. Oh, what the hell is this? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like a WRC champion now, baby. Oh, I caught up to him. The Eurobeat, it's working. Oh no, he just caught up to someone else. I didn't eat enough tofu this morning. I'm just gonna follow this note. He knows what he's doing. Yeah. Why? I wanted a good downshift. That sucked. My right foot, it didn't blip the pedal. It just went in between the brake pedal and the gas pedal. Just bloop. That bridge I would totally crash into in GTA 5. If I was flying a plane, I would totally just. There's another cool little spot. It's like a rally stage again. Oh, that Aqua's stepping on it now. You know, that does remind me though. I think Aquas came out just about the same time as this car, and they seem to be kind of like cousins almost. They're similar. At least that's how I feel about it. The way the shapes of the lights are and the body panels and everything. I did it again. What the fuck? Why am I sucking so bad? Man, that Aqua's really, I mean, no, that note, he's really pushing it. And that guy really hauls ass. You know, I'm trying to go to roads that I haven't been before, but I've driven this road before already, so I'm trying to find a good turn-off point where I could just explore. I think sometimes it's good to just get out and explore your local town or wherever you are. Just get out and drive wherever the hell you haven't driven before, because it's got a sense of adventure to it. That road with like the natural rock formation tunnel and everything, I didn't know that existed here, but now I know. Okay, I'm just gonna go this way. All right, let's see what's up this road. That guy in the Nismo note, he went up here. He must know what he's doing. What-do-do? Well, so far, it just seems to be a random village. I think it may have just been a shortcut. Too bad, too bad. Let's see what's over here, though. I've never been here. I'll turn left here. There we go. Actually, I've been here. Okay, this leads to Asso. I see. They must have taken a shortcut to come here. Let's go to Asso then. Let's go to Asso and see if we can find some cool cars. There's already a cool car right in front of us. There's a Toyota, what is that, a Land Cruiser? I don't know. Pretty cool looking though. It looks kind of lopsided, doesn't it? Maybe it's because it's in a turn? No, it's lopsided. Getting a little warm. I think the GoPro's getting pretty warm. Yeah, I can feel some sweat on my forehead now. This thing's getting pretty hot. All right, we are at Asso area. I am sandwiched between a Jeep and that car, that Land Cruiser thing in front. I feel very small. And for some reason, my stomach really hurts. So I need to find somewhere with a restroom, but I don't know where I can find one. Looks like they just burnt the field up. Smells like it. When I was in the military, I went to Fuji training ground, and they had just burnt the training ground just like this, and they made us, you know, run around and do stuff in the field, because why not? Just for shits and giggles, I guess. So all this ash that's being kicked up by everybody walking around and fucking running around and shit, we're just sucking it in, coughing our lungs out, and it's a great time for everybody. Yeah. Here we are. The place. Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna park my car. I think it's the guy, the Nismo note. So you can see him in here. Pretty sure that's him. All right, well, I'll be back. All right, recharge, reset, ready to go. What are you doing? What is this guy? 2 chicks in a roadster. I need to follow that car. Not because there's 2 chicks in it, but because their car is pretty cool. I swear. I swear. What the fuck? No. That was the guy that was parked all weird. Really wish I had a drone right now. I could show you the whole landscape. There's a whole bunch of Miatas out today. It's a beautiful road, but is it twisty? No, it's not twisty. What are you doing, man? You trying to pass people? Is he going for the gap because he is a racing driver? Oh, Ryosuke Takahashi would just totally ride that shit with his RX-7. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Second gear. Yeah. And then tour bus. Yup. I'll have it in first, so I'm ready. We'll probably catch right back up, but let's go. Yeah, we're starting to see some cars now. And here we are. This is a good spot to turn around. Get out real quick and show you guys. And look at that. Yeah, it doesn't get any more JDM than that. Cherry blossoms, 8.6, Torii Gate, probably Temple, hairpin corner, some farmer's house. You got all the JDM things. Perfect. Let's go. The guy's front end was fucked up. He was taking that corner pretty hard too. Car was like rolling and everything. If you ever find yourself in Kumamoto Prefecture, Aso area, this is the spot to come to. Is that BoJack Horseman? All right, look at this place. Let's take a step out and check it out. Oh yeah, that looks like a good spot to sleep. It'd be a good life for a horse or a cow. I hear something coming. All right, let's guess what this is. Yeah, it was just a couple motorcycles. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's one of those old ones. Oh. This looks like a more depressed version of the Windows screensaver. That's about all I have to say for this. Let's go again. Check. Let's go. 86, finally! 86 and whatever that is. This part's pretty fun. They all open top cars. I think we're on one of those skylines. That's what they call these roads here in Japan. Something something skyline. Would have been great if I was in a skyline, on a skyline, but I'm not rich enough for that. Oh yeah, look at that. So, that about wraps up the video. If you guys like this kind of video, like to see me driving these random places, then let me know in the comments, hit like, subscribe. I will keep posting more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Take care and drive safe.